Good evening. Tonight, let's hear the story of the crane's gratitude. Long ago, an old man walked through a quiet, white landscape. Our first word means snow.
Yuki, Yuki.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
雪が降っています。
He found a beautiful crane caught in a trap. Gently, he freed the bird and watched it fly away. Our next word means to save.
助ける、助ける。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
鶴を助けました。
That night, a mysterious young woman arrived at his door. She offered to weave beautiful cloth to repay his kindness. Our next word means weaving.
はたおり、はたおり。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
はたおりの音が聞こえます。
She asked only one thing. He must never look inside her room while she worked. Our next word means promise.
約束、約束。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
約束を守ります。
Unable to resist, he peeked inside, only to see a crane plucking its own feathers to weave the cloth. Her secret revealed, the crane flew away, leaving behind a gift of deep thanks. Our final word means gratitude.
恩返し、恩返し。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
恩返しをします。
True gratitude leaves a beautiful mark, even when it is time to say goodbye. Rest well and sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい。